The human life is governed by nature and laws. According to law, there are many gods. According to nature, only one. Nature does nothing without purpose or in vain. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Nature does not make leaps. Nature is always better than art. The sun, as Heraclitus says, is new every day. Everything comes from earth, and everything ends in earth. Earth breeds all and takes back all. If you pollute clear water with mud, you shall never find to drink. To the question, what came first, night or day? Night, he said by one day. Night is for the thieves, light is for the truth. Hunger coexists with darkness. This world, which is the same for all, has not been made by any god or man, but it always has been, is, and will be an ever-living fire.